Welcome to the OnePath training video series, entering a new lead and converting to an opportunity. Thank you for joining. This video series is designed to get new OnePath sellers up and running quickly on the basics in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. This is the first video you should watch, and then as you move along in the sales process, there are videos on managing opportunities, using the sales tax determination dialog, and using Alert to create unawarded projects and pre-sales tickets. Today's video focuses on entering new leads in CRM, then converting that lead to an opportunity. The first thing that we're going to do is navigate to the sales area in CRM. From Outlook, click on Sales and then Leads. This will allow you to open up a new lead. Click on New. And this gives you a blank lead form. Enter the required information, which is denoted by the red asterisk. The first thing that you'll enter is the project name. Then select the customer. For this lead, we are going to select an existing customer. Once we go through this example, we'll also show how to create a new account in the system and create the lead from there. Now that I've selected the company, I'm going to go ahead and select the contact person. Notice that the business phone from the contact carries into the lead record so that I don't have to enter that. If I had a job title and email address, those would also carry over into the new lead record. We also need to enter a lead source. So we'll choose the source of this lead, whether it's cold call or word of mouth or a client referral. Then scrolling down, there's no other required information. So we'll go ahead and save this record. Now that we've saved the record, we can go in and make any changes that need to be made. I'm going to go ahead and close this out and then show you how to create a new account in the system. The first thing that you want to do is search for the account that you're going to create the lead or opportunity for. I'll create a fictitious company called 123 Company, and I'll search for them in the system. They don't exist, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new account for them. I click on New here. And I choose Account from the New Record area. Here I'll put in the company name. The next field here is the customer ID. That will be a 6-digit ID with a 2-letter location identifier. So in our case, since we are in the Marietta office, we'll choose -MR for Marietta. I also choose the GP company, which in this case will be OnePath, Georgia. And now I'm going to enter the address information. We choose this as a primary address. And I'm just going to put in some data here. I enter the state as a 2-digit state code, such as Georgia, GA. Then the zip code and the country. We use US as the country. Now I'm going to scroll down and fill out any other related information for this account. If I want to put a description in, I can also do that as well. This may be a description of what the company does, or the line of business that they're in, or some other pertinent criteria that we can enter in here. Now I'll enter the industry. Choose the industry that best fits your customer and select that. And then scrolling down, I can enter other things such as contact information or additional addresses. Under the notes and attachments, I can also attach files or the notes that I want to put on this account. Now that I've entered all the information, I'm going to go ahead and save the record. Once you save the record, the items on the left navigation bar are active. I'm going to click on Leads, and I'm going to go ahead and click Add New Lead to add a new lead record. Notice that the customer is already populated, so I didn't have to add that again. Again, I'm going to put in my project name. Then I'm going to add my contact person. Now from here we can also add a new contact. So this will take us to a screen where we can put in a new contact under our company. So I'm going to fill in the required fields here. So first and last name, John Smith. I can type in 123 and tab, and that'll take me to the 123 company record. This is true for any other records that you enter in CRM that'll look up. So you can type in the first few characters of the first word and hit tab, and CRM will try to find that information. I entered the job title and the phone. And now that I've entered that in, I'm adding John Smith as the primary contact for this potential opportunity. Now I'm going to hit Convert This Lead. This takes you to the lead qualification page where you can enter the answers to the questions above. As long as the answers are preferable, this will take you to a screen where it will create a new opportunity for you. Notice here that the lead that I created is now inactive. Because I've converted it to an opportunity, that lead has been set to be qualified and is inactive right now. Now that we've got our opportunity, we can go on to the next video, which will show us how to manage our opportunities. Thank you for joining.